Hi guys, and this is new tutorial about the TikTok application. Today I will show you how to turn on or turn off contact synchronization on TikTok. So let's go to this app, and right now we are on our profile page. So to manage this sync contact option, we need to go to the settings after tapping on the three lines at the top bar of our screen. So let's click on this icon, and later let's tap on this on the next shortcut like settings and privacy. Amazing, let's choose the second option, and right now we need to pick on this setting, sync contacts and Facebook friends. So right now where we got access to our needful customization, so right now we can smoothly manage this sync contacts feature after tapping on the toggle opposite. So remember that this option helps you to find your friends from the contact list of your phone. In the same way, you can manage the synchronization of your Facebook friends. So to activate this option, you just need to pick on the switch near to make it green. And later, let's tap on the continue to confirm these changes, your choice. After, you need to link your Facebook if you have this account on Facebook, but if you want to activate the first option, you just need to pick on the toggle again and press OK. Amazing! Later, if you want to deactivate this cool feature, I think it's cool, let's pick on it again. And right now, the selected option is smoothly disabled. So to bring back to the account of our TikTok, let's tap on the arrow. One more time and one more time. Well done, let's refresh our page to refresh all of the settings. So guys, right now I hope that you know how to manage this option and you can smoothly synchronization your contacts on TikTok. Good luck! Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and of course TikTok HardReset.Info channels. Bye bye!